This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a sugar cookie cake easy guide. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and line a 9-inch pan, then cream 2 sticks of butter with 1 cup sugar until fluffy. Add 2 eggs one at a time, then sift in 3 cups flour with 1 tsp baking powder and a pinch of salt. Mix until just combined for a tender cookie cake base. Start by folding dry ingredients into the creamed butter mixture using a spatula for a light texture. Transfer batter to the prepared 9-inch pan and tap to remove air pockets, then smooth the surface for even baking. Place pan in the center, rack, and bake 18 to 22 minutes, checking at 18 minutes for a soft center that firms slightly as it cools to a perfect sugar cookie cake. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe and like to support more easy baking tutorials and tips. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is handy to keep nearby while you bake, and it makes staying hydrated during long bakes a breeze. Check the description for the product link and other deals. I appreciate the support, and now let's get back to the video. Let the cake rest for 10 minutes in the pan so it sets, then invert onto a rack to cool completely before frosting. Whip a quick frosting with 2 cups powdered sugar, 4 tablespoon butter, 1 tsp vanilla, and 1 to 2 tablespoon milk until smooth and spreadable. Once cooled, frost evenly and add sprinkles, nuts, or a piped border for a polished, festive sugar cookie cake presentation that stays soft and sliceable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.